Hello. I've come this morning once again to give an update on Karbonai trading robots. I think my last video, I want to show my last video that was a month ago. I think it's this, where I want everyone to see where we are at this moment. This was my last video. If you check, I published this video on the 23rd of January, probably a month plus ago. So on this video, I think I showed my balance sheet here. To be what, 30 to 50% forwards. I'm going to my main account and so you can see, as at then a month ago, I was having in my main account profit of this amount, and with not much ado of time wasting, let's fast forward to today. This is my today. I just logged in. Here I have 6 open trades. If you go to my dashboard, assisted auto trader, I'm heading to my main account right now. So I think it's something worth doing. You can see where we are when you compare. This is accumulated profits in just literally a month plus. When you consider my last video, which was January 30th, a month plus, a month 10 days thereabout, and then we're having this balance sheet. I wanted to look again. I was having this balance sheet, you can see, and the difference is there, 4,000. So this is just in the main account because I have 3 accounts here. Sub account number 2 is also open trading. Now that was an update they did. If they keep upgrading, so the update, you can see this one is accumulated 1,000 plus. The update they did, when you go to configuration here, I want to just show you a brief. Here they created this as beyond the bot account, which if you choose normal account, the background will change, but beyond the bots, the background is it adjusted, and this makes it simple. You can see here is giving you a suggestion that you can go ahead, green light, strongly advisable to open a trade. Just hit click, it opens and it goes sleep. It controls, manages the money, closes when it's profitable. There is nothing like loss here if you follow the default setting from Karbonai. Then this is my 3rd account, which is also overflow account. You can see it also had this profit because being a sub account, when there is a lot from TradeView, it goes to the main account first. When it hits the main account, if the main account here is busy, it will be transferred to the sub account number 3. And all these accounts, you can see the open trades on my TradeView also. They are here. This is the open account. You can see on my main account here. You can see the 2 open accounts, the 2 open trades here. And if you go to my sub account number 2, also I will show you here. This is my sub account number 2. All the open trades you see there is also registered here on my BYBIT'S account. You can see them, the trade trading. Same goes to the 3rd account. You see, so if this someone could sort of leverage the technicalities of this very platform, probably puts somewhere around 20k in your balance sheet in your BYBIT'S. You don't have to put your money here in your BYBIT'S centralized exchange. It's trade and recycles the profits. All this profit is in my BYBIT'S account. This very amount here you see here is exactly what I have there when these trades are closed. So if you are making $8,000 from 3 accounts in a month, I think it's something good. If you have this balance sheet of 20k per account, it's good. So don't forget to also going through the BYBIT'S registration, kindly use my referral codes. You can also view your trades from your mobile at your convenience. Here I have parallel space. I have 1, you can see, and I have another 2 for 2 different accounts. This is my Karbonai account number 2 here. it opens. You can see all those things I showed you there. Hey, there are a lot of noise when you go into all this trading platform, be it centralized and others like Bybit. If you go to their homepage, you see a lot of noise. All these things doesn't matter. Just overlook them. Go to what you're heading for. Don't be distracted. Same goes to other trading platforms. These are the open trades you can view from your mobile. If I go to my second account also, so in my mobile phone I have the 3 accounts installed here, so I can view them, including my Binance. And you can see this is the third account, number 3. These are the open trade. In fact, sometimes I personally put pending orders in case the price go this way. Open a trade from here, and when I see them, I can also add them to my Bybit account to manage, because I don't want to always go in there to close or open. So Bybit manager adjusts the leverage and closes the trade. So what it does, by default, I change my default setting on Bybit to open the account like my, for example, my sub account number 2. I made it that the profit setting, I increase the profit. If you go to configuration, you have the luxury to be greedy in this, so I put it open trade size first. I choose 6. By default is 2%, but I needed big something, so when you close I make big money. Then minimum profit target is 30%. By default is 10%, so I change this value to, and I change also this max trade open. By default is 3, I think, so I change it to 5. Here also was 2, I change it to 3, because I don't want delays. So you click update, it updates. It's as simple as that. I'm going to make a short video about the fees, because when you want to start a business, whatever business you want to go into, you have to equip your office, buy your chairs, your tables, your computer. So this is the same way with people who own this platform, so they give it to you, but you have to buy the software to be able to start trading. If I had made all these profits in a month, and their fees every month is around $40, it's nothing compared to the service they are rendering. So this men, they don't sleep. They are always at it, trying to make sure that their users get a good kind of experience. You can see here, let me show you. This was when they did the update a few days ago, and this man was live explaining it.
So if you have TFA turned on, your account is in zero danger, right? It's just, but this email did go out. It went out to some of our.
Yeah, beware of fraudulent emails, phishing emails keep coming.
Send from your trading view in the Karbon to take trades, right? But then we also have the double my trade section where we show you how to.
This is in the academy area. You can go there and check them out.
So. Right? Open about it, push Karbon. Well, what we did was we actually gave you a way now to mark your account as being a beyond the bot account, a manual trading account. So just like we have our main account and we have our overflow, where you can go into your account and you can go to your configurations and mark it as an overflow account, you can now go to your manual trading account, your beyond the bot account, okay? And this is me, it's 20K testing, it's just me testing stuff.
This man speak hell of slow so much. Can you? Okay, let me increase the speed of this.
And when I do, what you're going to see now when I scroll down, okay, is you're going to see a Beyond the Bot account button that you can click. Now, what's going to happen is this. Let me show you. What's going to happen is whenever I go ahead and select this and I update, my dashboard for that account is going to change. Okay. Right now, I have all my trades that are open, and I have my indicator here that shows me, or not my indicator, but my chart that shows me what's going on. Well, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to mark this as a Beyond the Bot account by going into your Configure tab. And when I click update and I hit OK, what'll end up happening is
the background will change. It's just like that. Show the update.
Actual signals. Alright, so I just went ahead and successfully saved, and you'll notice that my dashboard has changed. Okay? This was what the old dashboard looked like. Right? I can see a chart here. And now this is what my dashboard looks like now. And what you're seeing here is actually Karbon trade signals. So what we do is we are like scouring the entire system for trades that are severely negative and they fall within a range, and we go ahead and compile them, not all of them, but a bunch of them, like 10, right? And then we rank them, okay? And we rank them in real time. So as these trades get, a stronger signal, you'll see this green get more, fill up more and more this bar. So carbon trade more, fill up more and more this bar. So carbon trade signals, right? Green is strong, yellow is neutral, and red is weak. Now, by no stretch of the imagination are these really that weak, right? But they're graded in real time, and these bars will fluctuate as they're graded to be stronger, more either neutral or weak. And they run off of a simple algorithm to do that. And this is what that algorithm looks like. So for you math nerds out there, this is the algorithm that we use, right?
So no worries, this algorithm is not for you to go counting for. They already set it automatically in the system. It just shows you the scripts that run behind the scene.
We are using the
to get this going.
How negative a trade is once it hits like a stage 4 and below. And we use that to go ahead and calculate whether or not we want to go ahead and pop things, okay? So these are not the settings you want to have them on. Go look at your main account and make sure those settings match. But this is how it works. All right, I'm going to recap something. All you have to do is configure your account. Go over to configure, okay, for your Beyond the Bot account, all right?
Not to worry, it's already pre-configured, but this is for the Beyond the Bot, like your second optional account that you could just come and get signal on the platform. You just click enter a trade, it starts immediately trading.
This is our default level. Default looks like this, right? 2% of your account. Okay. This is what default looks like. I'm going to put it right here so you guys can go ahead and do this. Boom, 10%. Okay. This is default for these settings right here. Okay. And then you've got no close by taking profits with Karbon money management. So these are your defaults right here for this step. Alright, make sure that you're using these defaults. You want to be opening up your trades with 2% of your balance, no more than 10x leverage at a time, no more than 3, okay, trades open at once, okay, and trades after reaching stage 4, 2, minimum take profit 10, okay. This is what you want to be opening up your trades with, and you don't want to be in more than 3 trades, right? In fact, I would highly recommend you open up 2 at the default settings and go with it that way. And then you'll want to go ahead and mark this as a Beyond the Bot account, and then update it. And then once you update it, you can go ahead and take trades and just open them up, right? You come into your dashboard, and you can say, oh, I like this algo trade. I'm going to go ahead and open up algo. Boom. Okay. Shazam.
Okay, against his advice, I set up my trades. In my main account, I changed the setting to go this way. And my minimum take profits, it starts pushing to take profit from 12%. My trade size of anytime trade size, the platform is taking up for me automatically 6% of my total balance, and the total trade after reaching stage 4 is 3, and the number of trade I could hold is 4 trades at once. So with this, there is no way with this size of trade and maximum this size of trade, I will remain in the business and come out of profits. But in my number 2 sub account, number 2, I fix it this way. You can see how greedy I have become. This one is 30%, and this closing is reckoning the income, and this one 6%, yes, normal, and 5 trades max. I get a little bit reckless on my second account. Then the third account, I leave it almost by default, because that's why I can see it's not reckoning profit like others. That you can see, okay, 12% instead of 10%, 6%, and 2 trade after stage 4, 3 maximum trades, almost by default. If you go to advanced, you can also do some other changes there. So this is the setting I have here, and we are good to go. Okay, but once you activate this, you are advised to go. This is my sub account number 3. That's why. Then my main account. So once you activate this, you go to the Karbon Academy. There you can access the step-by-step teaching guidelines, and they are very responsive. You can see I have finished 4 of their videos. They keep updating, but this what next. I only did 1 video there, but my account is up and running. So they are very responsive. If you find anything difficult, just click on assistance, write support, immediately they will come back to you. In fact, they help me put up my alerts on TradeView, which I'm going to also show you in the fees area. And they have the partner program where you have your referral. In case some people don't have money to go into paying for this, but if you have people for referral the company, they will reward you. You can use your profit from here to go into trading also. So this is it for this video, just showing the updates. And I would like, in the next 30 days, I'm gonna make a new update to show where we are in the accumulation, and trying to see if we can go into compounding. But for me to start that, I wanted to try it. I wish I could increase my balance, my background balance, because here the trade I'm opening, this trade size reflects the size of your balance sheet. 6% of this amount each trade I open. So assuming is twice this amount, that means 6% of it, you're talking about 5,000 plus. And you close any day you close, you're making, every trade you close, you're talking about hundreds of dollars. Today I have made almost, I think almost $500 only today alone, because it seems the market, there is movement in the crypto platform. You keep picking trade closing at random. You know, sometimes I also use the new update in my number 2 account, pick up a trade and allow it to run, and add it up. Just click add here, you see add, it goes immediately, and the trade closes at will. So if I decide that I want to go into a trade here, for example, I already have BTC running. Okay, these ones are closed. BTC, I have it here. Okay, if I want to go into, pick up the trades now. Okay, I have 3 maximum trades here. So if I wanna open a new trade now, I could just hit this. If I feel like this is gonna go up, the price is gonna go up more, I'll go long. Just click open trades, immediately it goes here, and you watch out for the distance. Let's do it open. You ask you to confirm, you just confirm. It's as simple as that for the beyond the bots number 2 trade. The rest it opens automatic by its own. You see, successful open. This is the trade I just opened now. So it goes, and you take the profit automatically at when the price hits this amount. If you want to see the market movement now, I think it should be able to appear here. Then this is the market, this is the price in the market now. Once he hits 2.45, it's gonna take the profit at 30% according to my setting. You see the setting I showed you before. So thank you very much for your time, and wish you all the best. Take a little step. I just open it up, leave it there. Every week you can go in there to see how much profit you have accumulated, you know, just like I do sometimes. But sometimes I visit my own account daily, because I try to do something on the sub account to maximize the profit, you know. Thank you. Bye.